Beautiful marbling on this one.
Premium cuts receive artisan attention. These will appear in Michelin-starred restaurants across Asia.
Artificial intelligence makes 50,000 sorting decisions per day, faster and more consistent than human eyes. Vacuum sealing locks in moisture, flavor, and extends shelf life to 90 days refrigerated.
Before python meat reaches your plate, it begins here, in one of the world's most advanced reptile farms.
Each python is monitored daily for weight, temperature, and health before harvest selection.
Only pythons reaching optimal size and age are selected for the processing facility.
Within hours, these pythons will move from farm to facility, a journey designed for minimal stress and maximum freshness.
The clock starts now. From farm gate to processing line, every minute is controlled.
Just 3 kilometers separate the living farm from the most advanced python processing facility in Southeast Asia.
Every shipment is logged, tracked, and temperature verified before a single crate is unloaded. Temperature integrity is critical. Every degree matters in maintaining product quality.
Batch clear.
Moving to staging.
Only after passing veterinary inspection and digital verification do the pythons enter the processing chain.
From this point forward, every step is precision, engineered for efficiency, designed for safety.
This facility processes over 2,000 pythons per week, transforming raw harvest into premium protein products. Before anyone touches product, they pass through 3 layers of sanitation and safety protocol. Each worker becomes part of a sterile system. No contamination, no shortcuts. Welcome to the heart of the operation, where biology meets industrial precision.
Chamber ready. Time logged. Moving to process.
Humane processing is non-negotiable. Speed and care define every second of this stage. The skin is preserved for leather production. Nothing is wasted in this facility. Cold water, constant pressure. The carcass is sanitized to surgical standards.
Rapid chilling locks in freshness and prevents bacterial growth. The cold chain never breaks.
A grade. This one's standard.
Grading determines destiny. Premium cuts go one direction, processed meat another.
Premium python meat requires artisan-level butchery. Every cut matters.
Each python yields 7 distinct cuts: loin, rib, flank, bell, neck, shoulder, and tail. Portion control ensures consistency. Every package, every time, exact. Vacuum sealing locks in moisture, flavor, and extends shelf life to 90 days refrigerated.
Every package is scanned. Foreign objects don't make it past this point.
Reject on line 2. Cleared.
Raw product is just the beginning. Marinated, ground, and skewered options multiply market reach. Blast chilling to -35 brings core temperature down in hours, not days, preserving cellular structure. Frozen storage holds up to 200 tons, ready for domestic markets and international export. Export compliance is absolute. Every shipment carries full traceability, from farm to foreign port.
Load secure.
Doors closing.
From this container, python protein will reach Southeast Asian restaurants in less than 2 days.
While one shipment departs, the next batch is already arriving. The factory never sleeps. Artificial intelligence makes 50,000 sorting decisions per day, faster and more consistent than human eyes.
4 robotic arms, 0 fatigue, 24-hour operation. This line packages 15,000 units per shift.
Robotic palletizing eliminates repetitive strain injuries and never misaligns a single box. 20 autonomous vehicles move 800 pallets daily, coordinated by AI, monitored by humans.
Line 2 running optimal.
Chiller temps stable.
Every process, every machine, every temperature.
Beautiful marbling on this one.
Premium cuts receive artisan attention. These will appear in Michelin-starred restaurants across Asia.
For premium clients, presentation equals product. Every detail curated for the discerning chef.
Retail packaging tells a story. From farm origin to cooking method, transparency builds trust.
48 steaks.
36 marinated.
Every case is coded, tracked, and traceable, from production minute to final destination.
Batch 09 cleared for dispatch.
Final inspection ensures nothing leaves this facility without meeting every standard, internal and regulatory.
Sample 09A collected at 14:30. Every batch underwent rigorous testing. Microbial safety.
Pathogen testing is non-negotiable. If a batch fails, it never reaches consumers.
Nutritional profile looks excellent.
Chemical analysis confirms what customers expect. Lean protein, minimal fat, zero contaminants.
Good bite, clean flavor.
Texture is excellent.
Human senses remain the final judge. Machines measure, but taste panels confirm quality.
2. Batch 09 cleared. Proceed with shipment.
Only after every test passes does a single
Dispatch precision ensures products reach destinations on time and at perfect temperature every time.
Truck 7 cleared for departure.
As one shipment departs, another begins. This operation runs 18 hours a day, 6 days a week.
Inventory reconciliation complete.
Real-time inventory tracking means zero product loss. Every gram accounted for, every batch traceable.
The factory never truly stops. When production pauses, deep cleaning and maintenance begin.
And this is how modern factories transform Python from wild resource to premium protein.